We already concluded our second meeting actually, no, wherein we more on procedural. We cannot act yet on any of the cases, not unless the committee has adopted the rules, and then it will be up for publication, no, 5 days after. Then that's the only time that the committee can act on the cases, no, the docketed cases. But after that, after we adopted the rules and the committee secretary was directed for the publication of the said rules, we already distributed, no, yung pong copies of the docketed cases among the committee members for them to be able to review already in advance. So yun po nangyari, no, baka some people might be expecting that there will be action already on the said cases. We cannot yet, no, unless we can only act to them again right after the publication of the adopted rules this morning.